To configure your company holiday settings, you need to have account owner permission. If you do, go to Administration and open the Preferences page. Here you can set the start date of your holiday year. The default setting is the 1st of January. Set your default leave allocation, for example 20 working days. You can modify this for individuals on the employee profiles. Watch tutorial 19 to find out more about that. If you choose to display annual leave warnings, managers will see when a holiday request exceeds the entitlement. You can calculate holiday in days or hours. If you select hours, the holiday requests will detect how many hours the employee is set to work each day based on their working calendar. These calendars should be set to accurately reflect all working patterns before you switch on the hourly holiday calculations. Tutorial 37 explains the calendars in more detail. You can allow employees to see booked and requested holidays for all employees in their own department. This helps make sure you don't get overlapping holiday requests. If you include sub-departments here, that means the employees can see team members in their own department and related teams.